In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Speak command to the Quick Access toolbar in Word 2010. This feature will allow you to have your selected text read aloud, which can be incredibly useful whether you're reviewing your work, multitasking, or simply giving your eyes a break from the screen. We'll begin on the Word 2010 interface. First, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find the File tab. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, we're going to select Options, which you'll find near the bottom. Doing so will open the Options dialog, a comprehensive set of settings that lets you customize Word according to your preferences. Once you're in the Options dialog, look to the left-hand menu for Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it. This section allows you to modify the toolbar that appears at the top of your Word window, just above the ribbon. Now, in the main area of the dialog, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Choose Commands From. Click on this drop-down and select all commands from the list provided. This action will expand the list of commands available for you to add to your toolbar. Now, you're ready to find the Speak command. Scroll through the alphabetical list of commands until you reach Speak, or it might show up as Speak Selected Text. Once you find it, click on it to highlight it. Now, just to the right, you'll notice a button labeled Add with double arrows pointing to the right. Clicking on this button will add the Speak command to your Quick Access toolbar. After adding the command, we need to close the Options dialog to save these changes. To do this, simply click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. Now, if you glance back up at the Quick Access toolbar, you should see the Speak button sitting up there, ready for use. To try it out, highlight any text in your Word document that you'd like to hear out loud. With the text selected, go ahead and click on the Speak button you just added. The program will start reading your selected text aloud for you. It's a convenient and effective way to proofread or process information without fully shifting your focus from other tasks. When you're finished listening, or if you need to stop the reading at any point, simply click the Speak button again, and it will stop. This toggling feature is quite straightforward, helping you maintain control over what you hear and when. Now you're all set with a handy tool to assist in your document review process. Enjoy having your text read aloud, and feel free to explore more ways to enhance your Word experience.